I'm on my way out to the Skyline Drive that I normally go out to, trying to get out there to see the sunset. There's quite a few clouds on the horizon, so I was hoping that the clouds would dissipate so that I could see it, but I doubt that'll happen. Hackberry. That sounds horrible. I'm going to try to do more on the channel other than just, you know, basically driving the same routes. I'm going to start going and trying to take more minimum maintenance roads and things like that, have you guys along with me, give you guys a little more feeling of, you know, I guess adventure riding rather than just, you know, riding a gravel road all the dang time. Ooh, sliding. See where this goes. I don't think I've ever been out this road. Let me tell you a story. So last weekend is when I had taped the vlog that I put out earlier this week, and me and Reggie were out riding around, and it was a beautiful day, and all things were great and peachy. Basically, what ended up happening is we got on this road, and it turned into clay mud. I thought to myself, you know what, this isn't going to be too bad. It was about 6 inches deep of nothing but sticky clay mud. Let me tell you, I'm not going to lie, it sucked. But it's a story nonetheless. So there you have it, that I can actually go and tell the story and let you guys know what I experienced, because, you know, in that case it's an adventure. Yes. Usually when you ride an adventure motorcycle and you encounter mud, you go through mud at a speed to where, you know, speed is your friend, and you want to be able to go through it and, like, you know, you want to be able to go through it and not have an issue, not get stuck or anything like that. I will straight up tell you, it did not work. Here towards the end, I'm going to post a photo of me and Reggie, and if you'll look, pay close attention, or if you will look right under the front of his motorcycle. It was a real treat. So, thank God for Kansas. Lord knows I love the mud. If you guys have been watching on the channel very long, you will have heard me talk about things, some modifications that I've done to my bike and stuff like that. I want to talk about the headlights and driving lights that I have. They're Cyclops is the brand, CyclopsAdventuresports.com. And I'll straight up tell you, I absolutely love my lights. It's amazing at the light output. People ask, well, why do you need so much light? Well, I'm getting older, and when you get older, your eyes don't focus as easy, and stuff's hard to see. You get what you pay for in lighting, and I'm basically blind. So I appreciate you guys coming on this ride with me this afternoon. I just had to get out and ride around for a little bit, clear my mind and everything. What I would like is, if you haven't already, please check out the 5 Dirty Bikers podcast. Put out a new podcast every Wednesday, have varying topics. It's a handful of fun. Our stuff goes sideways. We never stay on track. I have ADD. Squirrels. That's basically one word that covers everything, is squirrels. Ride safe. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time.